Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Dom back with another makeup tutorial. In this video, we are a moo cow. I wanted to go ahead and try something new, something fun, and I was talking to my aunt when I had this idea. I should be a moo cow because that's like her favorite animal. So, you know, kudos to my aunt. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look, but first, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, you drop a like, and you leave a comment at the end of the video and let me know how I did. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this look.
Have you guys supported a small business today? If not, let me present you with the best opportunity. Go ahead and Google shoplushlegacy.com. That's your girl's website. I have all of your beauty needs in stock. Sugar scrubs, body butters, lip glosses, glitters, neon pigment, anything you need, your girl has got you. I got the cheapest prices around town, the fastest shipping with a guaranteed satisfaction. Go ahead, check me out. Drop a like, follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram. And for my first time users, use Lush10 for 10% off of your first purchase. Hey, what's up y'all? Let's go ahead and jump into this look. Starting out, I'm doing something completely different. We are starting with our concealer first because we're doing a cut crease. I'm not doing any eyeshadows on top. It's just a basic cut crease. I went in with a new concealer. It is called Infallible. And I forgot what brand. I'm going to have it down in the description because I don't remember what it is off the top of my head right now. Anyways, go ahead and basically you're going to cut your crease as if you already had some eyeshadow there. And I'm doing an extended wing because I really want my moo spots to pop because I'm turning myself into a moo cow. Now that we have both of our bases done, we're actually going to go in with the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just trying to make my concealer base more white because this concealer does have like a slightly peach tinge, which I don't really want. I really wanted this eyeshadow to be like a cool white, and it's really hard to get, but this works well for me. So you're going to go ahead and cover your entire cut crease area. You're going to cover it with that white before we go on to start drawing the spots for the moo cow. Now we're going to go ahead and start to draw our spots. I'm using the E.L.F liquid black eyeliner, but you can use literally any liquid black highlighter or any color that you want. I said highlighter. I meant eyeliner that you want. When you're making your blobs, you just want to make sure that they're random and they resemble spots on a cow as close as possible. I tried to make mine asymmetrical, so I don't want the same spots on the left side as I do on the right side. I tried to make everything random and look very curvy, so I kind of just started to draw like a bunch of bubbles everywhere and just connected them where I thought it would look nice. One thing I do want to mention is that I tried not to put any spots in the middle of my eye because that's where my eye creases, and you know, when the eyeliner is not dry, it just makes everything look messy. So I really just tried to keep my spots either on top of the cut crease or on the very bottom of the cut crease where my eyelash hairs are. So now the spots are done on both eyes, and I went in with some mascara to really try to change the color of my eyelashes, because with all that concealer and all that eyeshadow, your eyelashes will be white. So you need to change them back to the black color, or try to remove as much of that product as you can before you add on your lashes, because it is going to show underneath. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into our lashes. Again, I'm using my Lush Legacy 25mm Minks, and I'm using the style Bella. These are the thinner, more wispier, natural looking lashes. They're just really long. You know me, I love a good long lash. That's my favorite. So yeah, this is how I'm looking so far. I did do my foundation already. I do have a little bit of blush, not too much, just a smidge, just to bring out the cheekbones a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and finish the look with our basic black eyeliner pencil, and this is going to go in our waterline. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of highlight. This is the Kiss Professionals Shimmer Palette in the shade Peachy. And I'm adding this to my brow bone, the tip of my nose, and I believe I did my inner tear ducts as well. I definitely lied to you guys. I did not put the shimmer palette into my tear ducts. I actually went in with the Base Booster by BH Cosmetics, and then I went in with some glitter on my tear ducts to make it pop. Lastly, for the lip, I'm going in with a basic black lipstick, and I forget who this is by because I can't even see the label. That lipstick is so messed up. So that is the finished look to the Moo Moo Cow. This was a super quick, easy, and fun look to do. Really didn't require that much material at all. I would definitely do this look again. I think I might make this into like a series or something, but let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments down below. Check out my newest videos, and make sure you guys check out Lush Legacy. Use code LUSH10 to get 10% off of your first purchase. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.